music flow, let the moment rise. With every note, feel a spark in our eyes. Swaying gently to the song's embrace. In this vibrant space, we're finding our place. Voices blend like a tapestry spun in the rhythm of life. We're forever young. Melody saints, needing stories anew. Painting our dreams in every shade, every hue. Wishing for you. The essence in the feel, flow in our world where the brush stroke falls. Stories unfold, every color until where the dreams flow. Taking on the same style, creating wonder straight from the heart. Grooves and beats where the magic starts. With every rhythm we move our hearts. Feel the pulse in this neon light. Every stroke setting dreams in flight. Nectar sweet, let the visions grow in our world where the dreams flow. Where the dreams glow. Where the dreams glow, baby. Sinking deep in the heart of the hustle, away from the sleep, underneath the stars, in the city's embrace. We're crafting our futures, every heartbeat a trace, with rhythms of hope and dreams intertwined. Every step, every note, in this flow we find like the sweet and the moonlight glow. With every whisper, our spirits grow. In this fusion of heartbeats, the rise we soar. Together forever, we won't need more.